Hey, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Strategic Trading Services. Do this video. This is Brian Swan, the owner, the founder of Strategic Trading Service, and I want to say thank you to everybody for joining us this evening. And we are going to have a quick look at what we have done this week. Now, for you guys who don't know who we are an account management and risk reduction service for retail traders. But really, what we are now, guys, we are an insurance company. And we insure your trades against loss. We're the only company in the world to do that, and we are the best at what we do. And today we're going to have a look at what we've done over the past month. And guys, this is going to blow you away. Now, I told you a long time ago that the average payout on one of our systems was going to be around $750 to $1,000 a month. That's the profit potential that we're looking at every month. And I'm going to show you how easily that's done. Now, first of all, everyone knows what we do here. If you don't know, I'll reinform you. What we do here is we insure your options, and we insure binary options against loss. Now, at Nadex, which is the North American Derivatives Exchange, where you will have your options contracts, this is where you will purchase your assets. These contracts are simple yes or no statements, and we do two at a time. We call this position, and one you will have a sell, and the other you will have a buy. Now, on this example that you're looking at, they have inverted, so you need to look at it as if it's upside down. Okay, we will sell the top and we will buy the bottom. Okay, so we will say that price will not get higher than this level and will not get lower than another level. The price will stay in the middle. Okay, now that is what we're looking for, and each option will cost you around $75, and each option's profit potential is around $25, because at the end of expiration, no matter what you pay for your contract, at the beginning, it is worth $100. So you will have $150 worth of contracts out here, and at the end of it, if you're correct, you will have $200 worth of contracts. So each contract will have generated around $25 in profit. Now, quick math on this so you guys are following me. If you have two contracts, each of them worth $75, together you can make a profit of $50. If one of them is incorrect and you lose that, then you lose a total of $50 because you lose the entire $75 for that contract, but you made $25 on the winner. So now you have only lost $50. So as it stands, without any insurance, you're going to make 50 or you're going to lose 50. It is a 50-50 chance without any insurance. What we do as strategic trading is we eliminate that to now it's either going to be $50 profit or $25 profit. We have eliminated that zero possibility. That's what we do. Now, how do we do that? Well, I'll show you. First of all, you need to have your Nadex account, as we've already stated, and you're going to need to open up an account with them, and they are $250 to open up an account if you do not have one. And we're going to assume that nobody here has a Nadex account. If you do have one, then good. You only need to be able to buy two contracts and the transaction cost. But if you do not have one, the cost of that is $250. And here's what we do after that. Now, after you guys have opened up your Nadex account and deposited $250 in that, you will come to our site and you will purchase an insurance package from us. And that is $250 for hours, and that $250 is a monthly fee, and it will generate you between $750 and $1,000 a month in profit, not added on to it, but we're talking about profit, pure profit. What we do is we take your $250 and you will be assigned a Forex account like you see here. It will be yours and yours alone, and there we go, get out here. It will be your account, it will be a segregated account, and we trade basically against you. What we do is we have $10 a pip, and we try to get 10 pips against you. So if you have a contract that it takes, say we are at the price is at 130, and you have a contract that says price will not get above 150, and you paid $75 for that. At 151, you lose $75. Okay. What we do is we take your $250 and we purchase a entry order on a totally separate platform that we own, and at 240, at 240 to 250, we put in an order that says, hey, if price reaches 240, we are going to start to make $10 a pip for the next 10 pips from 240 to 250. So now at 250, where you lose $75, we have just made $100. And we take that $75 that you lost out of the $100 that we have made, and we send it to you immediately. And because you have two options working, you have one that's already in profit of $25, and we have just negated your loss by sending you the money that you just lost, or the money that we made because we made more of it out of the premium that you paid us. And this is the basic concept of what we do. Now, let me show you how it works in reality. All right, so in reality, it works like this. Your $250, we need $231 to take a euro dollar, which is the most popular traded pair, the one we trade the most on, and $231 of that goes towards the margin, and that gives us the ability to get $10 a pip from where we trade with. So now we take that $250 and we apply it in this manner. And what it produces is something like this. It produces something like this. Now, these are the actual trades for previous week, and you can see this is the result of one lot, 10 pips, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday we didn't have a trade, and Friday. So we were able to produce $100 per contract or per position. And this belongs to one gentleman. This is one gentleman's account, and everyone will have one like this. We handle all this, by the way. This is in the background. You don't need to worry about any of this, but I want to show you how the process works. This is not something that you guys have to do. We insure you, so we are the insurance company. You just open the contracts that we tell you to get, and this is what we do in the background with your money. Now, we do this and we provide this type of insurance. So on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, we would have sent $75 to the client. And that client would have been very happy because, he lost money on his contracts, and now he was able to make a profit of $25 each one of these days because we took off his loss. So now instead of having a negative $50 because we sent him 75 of this $100, he now has a positive $25. That's what we would do. Now, as I said, this was a few weeks ago. Let me show you the actual live results of what has happened. All right. Now, here is the actual live results from the previous 20 days, which were actually 21 days, and the 16 trades of that. We did not trade but one day this week because of the holiday, because of the 4th of July holiday in the middle of the week. So we started this gentleman's account with $300 was what he had. Remember, we needed $250, but he had $300 in his account. And this is the results of this. Now, the net profit is what he ends up with after the trade. $28 and $15. And this is, if you add that in, as you can see that each balance before and each balance after, there are no negatives. None whatsoever. When you finish the transaction cost, when you finish everything it costs to make the trade, the net profit is what he raked in total, and the beginning balance and the after balance is the result. Now, let's just run that down. I told you guys that $750 is going to be the average monthly income for a one position situation that we have. And the way that we get that is because $25 or $50 is the price, optimal price that we shoot for. There are 20 trading days in a month. 20 times 50, which is the most you can get. 20 times 50 is 1,000. 20 times $25, which is half of that, is $500. Now, we do not know whether you're going to get one or you're going to get the other. If you're going to get 25 or 50, there's no way to determine which one of those you will get at the end of the day. So, to be safe, we assume that the law of large numbers says that over time, given a situation like that, each side will come out equal. So we say 10 days you will make $50, and 10 days you will make $25. 10 days at 50 and 10 days at 25. 10 days at 50 is 500, and 10 days at 25 is 250. 250 and 500 is $750 together. So we're assuming that you will make $750 on average each month for a one position trade with us, an insured trade with us. Now let's look at the actual results. This gentleman started with a balance of $300, and over 16 trades. Well, actually, what we have here is 21 trades altogether. We can eliminate the one in the middle that says that first blank spot that you have, 5 trades down. Let's just eliminate that because we didn't trade that day. So therefore, we're talking about 20 trades. Now, the ending for is this week. This was a holiday weekend or holiday week, and we did not get any trades in until today because of the 4th of July. So, with that being said, we have $300 starting balance. His ending result was $957. That is $657. Now, there are 4 trades that we did not take today or this week. And throw in, if we assume that we were to get the minimum amount, which is $25, those 4 trades, that is an extra $100 that we did not make because of the holiday. That is $650 plus 100 is $750. Actually, $757. And there, people, is the actual live results of a month of trade, right where we called it. $750 right there. Now, this is not $500 and $250. No. This is $750 of profit. $28, $15, $15, $16, $36, $39, $43, $47, $24, $26, $61, $32, $33, $74, good trade there, $38, and $42.11. This is the actual result of our trades. And this is what we do. And we were able to make sure that we can do this for every single person. This man, this account holder, will never, as long as he works with us and does this system, will never see a negative balance on his ledger. Now, if you don't see how popular and how powerful that is, God bless you and you have a great day. Do what you do. But for the rest of you who see this, if you do not wish to be successful, you are in the wrong place. If you do not wish to make a lot of money in trading, you are in the wrong place. And I can tell you now from meeting a lot of people out here and starting this business, there are a lot of you who do not want to make money. There are a lot of you who are afraid to win. There are some of you who are so horrified at the idea of actually being successful that you run from this with the utmost of speed because you do not know how to handle success. I hate to use this term, but you're a loser. And you want to be because losing feels comfortable to you. Losing is something that you have been accustomed to. But that is not who you are. They have lied to you. They have told you. And I mean the brokerages, I mean the banks, I mean all of the people who want your money. They have made you feel so accustomed to losing and giving them your power, your money, that it seems unnatural for you not to do this. Wake up, people. Get up out of the matrix. Take the red pill. Whatever you got to do, come back to reality. We here at Strategic Trading Service will provide you with the service that will eliminate your loss because we take it on for you. You lose, of course you're going to lose. We just make it not hurt. Now, if this is a service that you can get behind and you want to make money, then contact us. I'll leave my link in the description and we will get you going. And if this is not something that you want to do, then hey, continue on losing. If you don't believe that what you're seeing is real, then hey, I don't care. Go ahead and do what you do. I have absolutely no concern whatsoever with anyone with negative opinions. Don't leave them in my comments. I don't care what you think. If you have a negative thought or opinion, keep it to yourself. I'm not interested. Please go on your own negative way. We here do not absolutely give a damn about any of that. We are only here to succeed and make money for our clients. And if that is not where you are at, then move along, little doggy, because we are not about that here. So people, that's a brief rundown of what we've done. And I want to thank everybody who was with us. And if you're not with us, I feel so sorry for you. And I hope you come around. Guys, y'all have a wonderful day. And thank you so much.